Welcome back to Cars Wars Pack, where we explore the most innovative vehicles from around the globe. Today, we're diving into a unique creation from Toyota that blends tradition with futuristic mobility, the Toyota JPN Rickshaw 2025. Let's find out what makes this rickshaw a masterpiece of engineering and design. First, let's talk about its design. The JPN Rickshaw pays homage to Japan's iconic jinrikisha while integrating a sleek, modern aesthetic. Its lightweight aluminum body and aerodynamic design make it both durable and efficient. And look at these, the exterior features customizable LED lighting that gives it a futuristic vibe. Now, stepping inside, the JPN Rickshaw offers premium comfort. The spacious cabin is equipped with ergonomic seats made from sustainable materials. And for tech enthusiasts, it comes with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, climate control, and even wireless charging stations for your gadgets. Talk about blending luxury with functionality. Under the hood, or should I say under the chassis, the Toyota JPN Rickshaw is powered by a cutting-edge electric motor paired with solid-state battery technology. This gives it an impressive range of 150 kilometers on a single charge, making it ideal for city commutes and tourist hotspots. As a testament to Toyota's commitment to sustainability, the JPN Rickshaw produces zero emissions. Plus, its battery is 100% recyclable, ensuring an eco-friendly footprint. This rickshaw isn't just an idea, it's a statement for a greener future. Safety is another strong point. The JPN Rickshaw includes advanced driver assistance systems such as collision detection, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for rapid visibility. It's designed to provide peace of mind for both drivers and passengers, whether you're a tourist enjoying the scenic streets of Tokyo or a commuter looking for a sustainable ride. The JPN Rickshaw adapts to every scenario. It's already gaining popularity worldwide, especially in regions emphasizing eco-friendly public transport. So, there you have it, the Toyota JPN Rickshaw 2025, a perfect blend of tradition, technology, and sustainability. What are your thoughts on this innovative masterpiece? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cars Wars Pack for more exciting content from the world of automobiles. See you next time.